Hi Leo, hi Emma, hi David. Are you ready for a new yoga safari?
Yes!
Well, I'm sure you remember the magic word.
Namaste. Oh, the jungle.
That's right! Welcome to the jungle. Some fantastic animals live here. Are you ready to meet them?
Of course. We're David, Leo, and Emma, and we're always super ready!
Time to try lion pose. Lion pose. Coming down to kneel with your hands on your lap. Now, lion pose is brilliant for getting all of your stress out. You stick out your tongue and make your eyes as big as can be. Now, we're going to clap our hands on our laps 3 times together and then come up to do our roar. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. False alarm.
One more time. Now all together.
Let's go with giraffe pose. Giraffe pose. Standing up nice and tall, we bring 1 foot forwards and 1 foot back. We reach our arms up above our head, giving ourselves the longest giraffe neck possible. Now, giraffes have to fold forwards a lot to eat, so we're going to do that now, folding all the way down to have a little nibble on our knee. And rolling back up to stand. Let's try and do it on the other side, shall we? Turning to face the other way, we reach our arms all the way up. Now, giraffe pose is very good for stretching our whole spine and our hamstrings and for strengthening our shoulders. Let's have another little nibble on our knee, folding all the way down, using our hands for balance and have a nibble. And rolling all the way back up again. Oh, hello. Wow, that's a very tall giraffe. Maybe if we keep practicing our giraffe pose, we'll get to be as tall as that one day. Keep going, everyone.
Whoa! Let's take a picture. Smile.
Okay, bear walks pose. Bear walks. Coming down onto our hands and knees and spreading our fingers nice and wide. We tuck our toes and we press our hips up to the sky. Now come high up onto your tippy toes and walk like you're a bear, walking through the forest, looking for some nice tasty berries. Now, bear walks are very good for releasing your lower back. So if you've been sitting down for a while, this is a brilliant pose to do.
Careful! Behind you! A bear!
Yes, I've seen him too. But don't worry, keep calm and keep bear walking. He'll just think we're his bear friend.
Goodbye, bear friend!
And it's also time for us to say goodbye. What a wild yoga safari that was. I'll see you again soon for another yoga safari. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Namaste.